I think all of these things are really necessary, whether it's college or trades or whatever. We're not monolithic. We're not a monolith. So I think they're all necessary. But what are your final thoughts?
I
Uh,
think I'm really grateful for the pivot. Like, I'm really grateful that we're kind of going back and expanding our options about what is available to us and different ways that our community can start rebuilding wealth in a way that feels good and natural to that individual. If that person in college is not their route, I am so grateful that we now have options for our boys and our girls, that you can pick up a trade that might be your passion and be your path to real wealth, legacy wealth. So I am Felice Hightower Britt, your Be Big coach. I am b.big.coach on
hey,
Instagram
hey,
and Facebook. And I'm also the Real Talk with Felice. And I am also on my own website, www.thebebigcoach.com. Please reach out if you know that you want somebody to help you go to that next level and you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and just not sure about how you get there. Come reach out to me.
let's go. Yes, the B.Big.Coach, baby. All right, Miss TT.
All right.
What's your final
I think
thoughts?
that our, our community has been sold a story, right? We've been told a narrative and we've bought it, that the only thing to do, the only way to succeed is to do like criminal behavior, right? Young boys are saying like the only way out the hood is to sell drugs or go to the NFL or go to, the NBA. That's all I got, right? And that's not true. What we're learning today is that it's not true. I mean, when I think of, I hadn't even thought, or sometimes they say, oh, I can go to the army, but I don't want to do that. But what we're saying today is this is really like a lucrative option for our Black men. And I think that we should look and really just start to mention that as our boys are getting bigger, or girls, because I don't, our children. And just saying like, listen, if you don't want to take the traditional route, if you don't want to do things, learn this skill. Learn this skill. You ain't got to use it always. If you take 1 or 2 years as a small piece of time out of your journey, but you'll always have a way to go make money. And so I would just say that, like, just let's change the narrative around the way we talk to our children and what narratives we have them embrace. My name is Tiara Williams. I'm also known as Miss Black Hollywood. I am a story selling expert. Listen, if you want to get in touch with me, I'm at Miss Black Hollywood across all platforms. And yeah, I mean, there's tons of things going on, but for now, just follow me.
Yeehaw! Miss
And I don't
Black
have nothing to
Hollywood
say over
has
there.
all the things.
All
All
the
the things.
things.
She has all the things fly Nubian money, which is
Oh,
awesome.
MissBlackHollywood.net. If y'all want to reach out. I'm sorry. There you go.
MissBlackHollywood.net. Anything you want
Bam.
to learn about how to be fly with your money, that is the lady. So here's what I want to say. Listen,
Okay.
college is not the only way, and it's not for everybody. It's not the only path to wealth. It's really not. There are trade schools where you can turn real skills into real checks. So if you
Yes.
like plumbing, HVAC, electrical, welding, like these are careers that can actually give you some financial freedom. So don't sleep on the trades. Let's start encouraging our kids, your cousins, your auntie, your uncle, everybody, because degrees
Mhm.
are good. But guess what? Pay the bills, skills,
Skills,
bars, boom.
bars.
But whether you like, you want to put down some floors like me, wire a house, you want to fix a car, I can do that too. My daddy taught me how to do a lot of stuff. Do it smart, do it skill. We need all of those things in our community. Our community is not a monolith, like I said. We make up all of these different things, but the biggest thing is that we have to work together as a community.